Hey, you may be enjoying your deck this fall, but you may have come to the realization that it's time for some improvements. And if you're not up to all the maintenance, including pressure washing and staining, it might be time to think about another option. And that's where Sunspace of West Michigan comes into play.
So this is a great time of year. Sit out on your deck, take a look at it. You've already probably stained it and painted it in the spring, but it doesn't look like it anymore. So this is a great time to say, you know what, let's just purchase a deck and make it a one-time purchase and never have to repair again. So look at your options. Do I just want to repair and replace the railing? Do I want to redo the deck boards? There are a couple things. Do I want to adjust the size? And that's where you need to plan now and speak to us, because everybody else is doing the same thing. They want to get rid of that old wooden deck and go with something more modern, clean, and finished. So this is the time to call. We can draw some things up, we can look at some options, we can measure up and start working on those budgets and get that taken care of for you.